Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to track your boat food delivery. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your boat food web application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on boat food? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type boatfood.com. That's going to take you to the official website for boat food. Once you get in there, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. The steps are self-explanatory, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Now, after creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in boat food. Now, boat food does not support deliveries within my country. That's why this homepage looks a little bare. But if it does in your country, you're going to find this homepage filled with a wide array of restaurants that you can actually choose from. But now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task: how to track your boat food delivery. Once your order has been collected from the restaurant by the delivery partner, a live map of your courier's location will be available on the order status screen. Click the expand button to track the delivery. If the courier is delivering another order on the way to your address, you will be informed of these in the app. If it seems that your courier is not moving or is moving in the wrong direction, please use the call feature to contact the courier service. So I'm going to show you where you can find the order status, so you can click the expand button to track your delivery. From your home page, head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have orders. So click on the orders tab and it's going to take you here, and I do not have any order. But if you have your order, you can now click on any of your order and it's going to take you to your order details. So click on your order details and you're going to see your order status. So from the order status window, you're going to find the map showing where your courier is, so you can expand the map to see the exact location, and from there you'll be able to track where he or she is going. That's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps in. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.